Let's see how we can add multiple files in Contact Form 7 in WordPress. By default, there is only single file upload option available in Contact Form 7. To achieve multiple file upload functionality, we have to install a plugin. Go to Add Plugin and search for Drag and Drop Multiple File Upload for Contact Form 7. Here it is. Install and activate it. Now go to your form and refresh the page. Here you will see multiple file upload option. Select the position where you want to show this field. Now go to multiple file upload. This is your field name. Here you can define the file upload size in bytes. In this option, you will define the files that you want to accept. You can also set the maximum and minimum files upload quantity. Once done, click on Insert tag. Now save your form. In order to receive files, go to Mail and in the message body, paste this code. Also paste the same code in the file attachment section. Now save your changes. Fill the form. Select the multiple files of different extensions. Our form is submitted successfully. Let's check whether these files are received or not. You can see we successfully received our files. In this way you can accept multiple files through your Contact Form 7.